Today though, we're going to have some simple inlays that are very easy to do. And I'm just rounding off the edges a little bit, taking the corners off, and then cutting the end down smooth enough to fit through a small hole. At the 12th fret is going to be a slightly different version of the 2 dots, and that's going to be done in the traditional inlay style. So I'm going to cut out some lines on this fretboard, fill it with the black super glue, and then just sand it all flat. So we have the dots in, we have our inlay, super simple, really easy to do that with any kind of the fluids coloured, or whether you want to put, like I said, the gold leaf underneath and use a clear resin or something like that. A very easy way to make the fretboard stand out.